Hello everyone and welcome back to the second part tutorial of how to start and use Maya, or the beginner guide for Maya. Anyway, the second part, what we will do again things in some kind of a logic hierarchy. So the first thing I do want to talk about at this part is how to move inside your work area. Now my nose is a little bit scratchy and yeah. Anyway, inside Maya you have um, two different ways on how to navigate your way inside the work area. One way is to use the actual buttons we have on our toolbars. So here you go, you have here a general tab, and those four buttons here with the camera, as you can see, the camera icon, these are meant for the use of navigate inside your work area. So if you're gonna put your mouse over each one of the icons, doesn't matter which, anything inside Maya, almost everything will spill a little bit of information about what this tool or what this feature does. So you can see that when I put my mouse cursor over this icon here, it says tumble tool. Rotate the point, the point of view around the center of interest. So basically this is what it does. You click on it, then your mouse cursor switch to be some two rotation arrows with a point in the middle, and you can simply click, left mouse click, hold and drag your mouse and simply rotate around your point of interest, which this one is our point of interest, the sphere right now. And you can also switch to pen tool, and this will basically click left mouse button, hold and drag, and it will pan your camera. Now we have this kind of zoom, which is dolly tool. Okay, so basically what dolly tool is like a camera on a rail. If you familiar with this, I don't know, definition, or I don't know. Anyway, so this is a dolly tool, and it's just basically zooming in and out to your object. And of course you have the zoom and left mouse click, hold and drag for each one of those tools here. Now by default Maya has its own way to do those four things. So whenever you want to let's say rotate, what you will do is you're gonna hold Alt. Okay, this is the hotkeys. So you click and hold the Alt key, left Alt key, and left mouse button, click and hold at the same time that's the Alt, and just simply rotate. Okay. Now, whenever you want to, I don't know, let's say our camera is here and we want to rotate, you can see that we are rotating as it says, like around our point of interest. But if it's not really, set to this point, or it's set to other object, let's say we have, I will just create another object here just to make my point, and I will put it here. Okay, so now we have two different objects, right? Now if I'm gonna, we have two objects, so we have two different point of interest. So if I'm gonna click and hold this, I mean click and select this, what I will want to do is I'm gonna press F key, which means focus. Okay, this will focus my camera to the object that has been selected. I can now zoom out with my mouse wheel. Just scroll your mouse wheel, and now whenever I'm rotating, it really be the point of interest. Means that the camera is like having I don't know, like some kind of a pivot that's set to the center of this object. So if I'm going to click on this and press F, you can see now that I'm rotating pretty much perfectly around this object. If I will move and try to do the same, you can see I have different distance on each angle that the camera use right now. So always when you want to focus on object, press F, zoom, and then zoom out, and then rotate as much as you want. Anyway, Alt, left mouse click, hold and drag. This is the rotation tool. Now if you want to zoom out, which is the dolly, I think, is Alt and right click mouse, right mouse button, hold and drag, and simply rotate, zoom in and zoom out. As I said, you can also do this with your mouse wheel, okay? But it's much more better to use. It's better to use the Alt and right button key, okay? Drag and zoom in and out. It's just a little bit more accurate. I mean, like, it's not aggressive zoom. It's just something that if you want to really get closer to thing, but not too much, like the camera is, you know, passing the object. So you can use the Alt and right mouse button. Anyway, this is it. And if you want to pan, by the way, Alt and you click on your mouse wheel, okay? Hold the Alt key and the mouse wheel button. Just click on your mouse wheel and simply pan, okay? So you drag your mouse from right to left and you can pan. So basically, these are the keys that does the same thing as those four options here. So this is it for this part. I hope that was, you know, informative, and hopefully we'll see you at the next part where we will talk a little bit more about our other tools, about movements, rotation, scaling, and maybe some other stuff. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you next at the next part. Bye-bye.